Before installing your Schlage lock, proper preparation is essential for a successful installation. We'll cover the tools you need, door requirements, and key components you should know. You'll need just two basic tools for most Schlage lock installations: a Phillips head screwdriver for the screws and a tape measure to verify measurements. Your door must be properly prepared with holes of the correct diameter and back set. The back set is the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole, typically 2 3/8 or 2 3/4 inches. Schlage locks include helpful features that simplify installation. Adjustable latches accommodate different door thicknesses, while self-aligning screws make positioning easier and reduce installation errors. Familiarize yourself with the main components. The outside lever assembly contains the key slot, while the inside has either a lever or thumb turn. The latch mechanism and strike plate complete the installation. The latch typically comes with a rectangular faceplate, but can be changed to a round drive-in faceplate if your door requires it. Remember that the bevel should always face toward the door jamb for proper operation. With these preparation steps complete, you'll be ready for a smooth Schlage lock installation. Having the right tools, properly prepared door, and component knowledge sets you up for success. The first step in installing your Schlage lock is properly installing the latch mechanism. The latch must be oriented correctly with the bevel facing toward the door jamb. Next, install the strike plate on the door jamb using the provided screws. For enhanced security, consider upgrading to longer 3-inch screws, which provide better anchoring into the door frame. Now install the liver assemblies. The outside liver assembly, which contains the key cylinder, must be positioned on the exterior side of the door. Pay attention to the chassis alignment and ensure all components fit properly. For curved levers, you may need to adjust the handing to ensure proper orientation. Use the included pin tool to change the lever direction so they point away from the door edge when installed. Finally, test your lock installation thoroughly. Check that the latch engages properly and both levers function smoothly. A common installation mistake is failing to properly engage the side tabs on the chassis, which can prevent the latch from retracting correctly. Your Schlage lock installation is now complete. With proper installation and testing, your new lock will provide years of reliable security and smooth operation.